Cochin International Language Academy, CILA, proudly announces the opening of its new branch at Thrikkakara on 10th March 2020. Welcome to our open house on 10th March 2020 from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Meet our teachers and see our teaching and learning facilities. There will be a seminar on the nursing job opportunities in the UK on 10th March from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m.
Attend a free OET Writing workshop from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Don't forget to register for the free OET Writing workshop using the link given with the video description.
Our address is Cochin International Language Academy, CILA, Sacred Hearts Provincial House, CST Brothers, Kollamkudimugal Road, opposite Bharata College, Thrikkakara, Kochi.